Tuesday. We're playing I Am Cat. But I'm a ninja cat and I'm So I am going to be a ninja cat. This is my ninja cat skills. That's my ninja cat skills. To avoid Granny. And I'm gonna do my quest. Got it. Got the balloon. This is if you want to be oh no, why am I stretching? Why am I flying? Oh, the beep. Why do I feel something soft every time I pet people? So, and I'm going to complete my quest because I want to go to the gang. Gaia. Yes, mission complete. Yep. No. Whoa, 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 whoa. Sorry, Granny. Wow, You promise you won't make any mistakes? I know he will do his best. But if I get a monkey, guess what I'm gonna do? Completely fire everyone's mind. By hitting their butts. Wait, what is that? Got it. Got it. No thanks. Hmm? I want to get out. I want to mess with the dog. If I don't, I want to mess with the dog. But I can't. So I'm just gonna. And Granny won't stop me from being a ninja cat. Getting child care, eating watermelon, I don't know what that sentence was, but I was just fine with it. Whee! But then, guys, my mom had to hear that one. Beep-bop. 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 Stay still. And I'm gonna feed the fishies. No. No. Okay. Dogs! No! No dogs! No dog! I'm gonna kill you, dog! Oh, you like the dog? You like dogs more than me? I'm gonna tell which animal is better. No, oh, watching TV. I'm gonna. Eh, eh. What sound is that? Oh, you goofy, you little. Yeah. Get in here because we're watching TV. Oh, moving around the place. Eh, sure, my eyes. Mm, 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 mm. That was a lot. Got you, got you, mousies. You stupid mousies. Don't you know who's boss? It's time to be. Got you. I see you. I see you. Be- Yes, I got all the mice. Caught all the mice. Time to be Ninja Cat and see what's. Mm. Okay, okay. I wanna make. I'm gonna make a melody on the piano. Since I love piano. I can't. It's odd. Ball game. Make a shot. Why not? Make a shot. Spider guy. Spider cat. Ain't I need a spider cat? No. Oh, oh, no. I am not doing it. Uh, yes. Oh, no. Spider cat, spider cat. You don't need me, spider cat. I don't care no matter mistakes I accidentally do. No matter how granny's not. No, 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 mommy. Ah, ah, ooh. Ah, 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 ah. Wait, I shouldn't laugh. Sorry, Gran. Whoa! Well, I got it. Make a score! I made a shot. I made a shot. It's hard to make a shot, but not in I Am Cat. But sometimes in I Am Cat I'm bad at making shots because it's true. Spider Kid. No. Oopsie. You can't. You. Ah. I don't care. I don't care how big the vase is. I only care about something else. Door. Cats can't open doors, but they can parkour on them. To be ninjas. Ninja. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. I popped those balloons. Hey, Bebop, I think it's best if we parkour on this door. You okay? How did you fell over? Ew, what's this? Bread. Mm, mm, eh. Whoa, whoa. Whoa, this bread is so good. I feel like literally eating it. Uh, How do I open this up? Forgot how to open this up. Bebop. 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 I'm also a ninja cat, so don't worry. I can get some other food. Oh, I need this food. Yes. Why is there balloons around the map? Oh, nearly. Whoa! I want to see what happens if I touch a cactus. Oh, no. No, 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 no. Sorry. Loser! Loser, you can't get up here. Loser, you can't get up here. Oh, that was a close one. He nearly slapped me. Oh, bebop. 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 Bebop, what happened to you? You just fell down. What's their boxes surrounded all the map? Does Granny really love balloons? By the way, you haven't claws and balloons. No. Mm. Mm. Okay. Granny doesn't notice, but ooh, oopsie. Eh. Hi, Granny. Hi, Granny. Oh, got it. I have to make a melody on a piano. So, yeah. Mm. Okay, F. Yes. Mm. Hmm. Oh, no. Actually, I can do that. Eh, 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 eh. A ninja cat can also do that. He, ninja cats can also break stuff. But how do I not get caught? Eh, hmm. Free couches? Yes, that's a good. I'm actually a prankster. Okay. Oh my god, this cat is so ugly. Mm. But where's the other cat, the third couch? Because he said free couches, and I. What should I do? What should I do? Eh, Eh. Get out. Get off. Heh. Ooh. That's what the number is for. I don't want to. Actually, I don't want to break something. Ooh. Oops. Okay. Ah 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 ah. Eh. 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 Where the heck even is Granny? Mm. So where the heck even is Granny? Is is Granny even here? Is Granny here? Oh, Granny's not here. That's good. Since I don't want to hit my bum in the table by a pan like a breaking, like a Frankenstein bum. Ah, what's next? Wait a minute. Wait, there's pillows? There's 6 pillows? I didn't know that until now. I thought there's 3 pillows only. This would be a hard one. First starting good and then being bad. Whoa. Whoa. Let's get in there. Whee! Ooh, colliders all of the bee. I want to go to my wardrobe. I want to go to my wardrobe. Yeah. Now, let's do this. Ooh, Spidey. Yes, I got a spider. I got a spider on my leg. Okay, I think I should name him Spidey. Pax. Secret room. The secret room should be my hideout because if I want a nap, if I want to plan, for my mistakes and Granny being mad at me. Wait a minute, what's that? Uh, uh, Wait a minute, what's that? Uh, uh, what's this? Is that their secret? I never noticed that. I thought it was just broken. I thought it was just fixed until that. Hmm. Hey, you know, good. Go, dee. Hey, dee. Hey, don't you, yeah. Oh, oh my, oh my. Mm, mm. Okay, okay, I'm going to the main menu. You. Yeah, I'm in the Spitey. And now let's try this. Now let's try this. I'm going to multiplayer. Many people has their headset on. I know. What you laughing? What you laughing? No thanks. No thanks. I don't want to be jump scared. In the private mode, I actually got in there. Wee! I'm latter. Wow, latter. Spin on me. Latter. No. Phew. I've been a ninja cat. I've been a ninja cat. Bop! I got up the bell. Wee! eh? Wee. Wee! Whoa! Whoa! Who? Eh. No. Okay. Do you want to pineapple guy? What are you doing? Pineapple guy. What are you doing? What are you doing to the other cat? Huh? Huh? You didn't even tell what you did to the cat. Spidey. Yeah. Yes.